Poor drainage, causing water pooling around your home, can seriously mess with your yard and even damage your foundation if you don't fix it fast. So, first up, think about installing French drains. They're like underground channels that help move water away from your house. Next, regrading your landscape is clutch. Basically, you want your yard to slope away from your home so water doesn't just hang out near the foundation. Another cool trick is setting up rain gardens, which are spots with special plants that soak up extra water naturally. Make sure gutters and downspouts are clean and direct water far from your house. Also, avoid compacted soil by aerating your lawn, letting water soak in better. If you notice puddles after rain, try adding mulch or gravel in those spots to help absorb moisture. Keep an eye on where water pools after storms and adjust your drainage setup if needed. Finally, if you're not sure what's best for your yard's drainage, getting a pro to check things out can save you headaches later. One of the biggest mistakes people make with drainage problems is ignoring the grading around their house. If the ground slopes toward your foundation, water will pool every time it rains. Fix this by reshaping the soil so it slopes away at least 6 inches over 10 feet. Another common issue is clogged gutters and downspouts. When these get blocked, water overflows and collects near your home. Regular cleaning or installing gutter guards can help avoid that mess. Lastly, relying only on one drainage solution like just a French drain without considering other factors like soil type or landscaping can backfire. Combine multiple fixes like regrading and rain gardens to handle different water issues better. BigHomeProjects.com makes it super easy for homeowners to find trusted local contractors who really know their stuff with drainage and yard work. Plus, it helps contractors connect with people looking for reliable help, making the whole process way smoother for everyone involved.